Alright, everyone. It is my first commentary of the week. Welcome to Gaithursburg. Hope I'm pronouncing that right. Maryland. This was suggested by Romeo. Those who know, you guys know who Romeo is if you guys don't join the streams. But yeah, we're just gonna get right into it apparently. Illuminator, not too good. Not too good, I'm just gonna be completely honest. Alright, Kylie Kent. Alright, well I think Illuminator's gonna take the lead probably. Or keep the lead. Yeah, I was recommended this. All I know that at one point there's a 3-wheel freestyle. That's all I know about this show. I also been told there's another really good freestyle though, so don't know which truck it is. Alright, currently in my opinion leading is Illuminator. Steve Thompson, I've actually met him before. Met him when he drove Earthshaker. Alright, I think this is gonna be our new leader probably. But Zane Ratu, he has a very good shot at taking the lead because this is his competition. Very good. Oh my! Very sudden. I'll still give that the lead though. Did he get another move? Oh, he's going for it again. I suppose it is his tour. Yeah, he was gonna go into the sands if he had just kept slamming down on the brakes like that. Or gas. My bad. RJ, a very I think he's underrated actually. He's an underrated driver. He's very good. If RJ had gotten that a bit better, he probably would have taken the lead in my opinion. Whoa, CJ, I was not expecting that. Came out of nowhere. Now, CJ does get another attempt, and let's say they don't count as first. This is definitely going to win. Actually, I think this is just going to win, period, regardless. That was ridiculously long. Oh, and he does get another move. He was going for a butt kicker. I saw that, CJ. Don't think you can fool me. That was a... Oh, Corey Snyder. I thought you stopped driving, but I'm not complaining. Wait, who's driving Illuminator? I wasn't paying attention. I thought that was Corey Snyder. Please comment below who's driving Illuminator. Nice wheelie. Brett Falvey, Haymaker. Ah, I said it before. Brett is very good driver. All right, a very good run. I think I'm actually I think I'm going to give that second. How did Toxic win? Rigged. That is stupid. I actually think Haymaker should have won that, actually. That's my 2 cents, but there is in no world does Toxic win it. If not Shredder, Stinker Unleashed won it, I wouldn't have been upset. Illuminator always looks beautiful. Alright, this is like Stadium Series Yellow 2020 Monster Jam. Wait, Steven Thompson drove on that track, I just realized. So he should have a leg up above everyone else. Kylie Kent with the win! What an upset! I mean, I'm not upset, that's for sure. Alright, RJ Turner going to the finals. Alright, Kylie. I don't think Kylie's gonna win, but I want her to win. Alright, she did not win. But she made it to the semifinals, so I'm happy about that. Oh. Alright, well, RJ just won racing. So congratulations, RJ Turner. Now let's get into Freestyle, which I've heard amazing things about for this show. He's gonna give someone a seizure in the crowd. All right. This is not a too good run, actually. Whoever is driving, not doing so well. This is not that good of a run. Let me look up who's driving. Whoa! Daniel Donnelly. I never heard that name. Pretty decent. Not a good run, but okay run, I will say. Alright, a not terrible run, I'll say that. Not that good, but definitely not terrible. We have Shredder. Wait, what happened? Did he break? Oh, well, I'm so confused. Kylie Kent, though, I'm hoping she can do well. Right. Kylie, this is her second best competition, I'd say. I think she's gotten her only win in best trick. But yeah, she's not bad, actually. Alright. This is a not too good run, I'll say. I heard them say a noise like something good had happened, but basically nothing happened. Alright, this is not a too good run, I'll say. Definitely still leading is Illuminator. Alright, Steven Thompson, a pretty good run. Alright, pretty good run. Definitely good momentum. I don't know why they said uh-oh. Oh, he's going for the bus. No, he's not going for that bus. Alright, well. We have Haymaker now, who is pretty good, actually. He loves sending it, Brett Pally. Good momentum so far. I'd like to see bigger hits, though. Right, a pretty good run, I'll say. Alright, this is a weird... Yeah, it's weird. This is not a good run, I'll say. Alright, this is going on for a very long time. I'm kind of getting bored, I'm gonna be completely honest. Actually, I'm not kind of, I am getting bored. I kind of want this run. Alright, it's the lead. Brett, we know this is gonna lead. You can stop. Alright, he's holding that very well. Pretty good run. Alright, so Shredder is now back. This truck sounds terrible. Oh, almost going over. Oh, that's not good. Oh, this truck is not good. This is not working well. Oh, the back is definitely... The rear steer is broken. Alright, you're done. Alright, nice hit though, I will say. What is happening? I came here to see the one-wheel freestyle. That freestyle has not happened yet. We're wasting our time with this shredder run. I want to get to the one-wheel, or not one-wheel, three-wheel freestyle. The one where one wheel breaks off. Well, I have to assume at least. I'd be shocked if they have three-wheel freestyle without a wheel breaking off. Alright. Alright. That's actually, he's making something out of nothing. Oh, dang! There is the wheel. Wait a sec. Wait, is he gonna keep driving? Cause I've heard that he kept driving and it was like a Tom Mentz freestyle. He's still driving, but he's not really doing anything. I was told that this is like a insanely good freestyle. And this is not an insanely good freestyle. It looks like mud. Yeah, this is not that good of a freestyle, guys. Oh. Guys, old school Monster Jam wasn't that good. I'm gonna be completely... I mean, it's cool to watch a wheel fall off, I'll say that much. Regardless of whatever, it's always cool to see a wheel fall off, but... Yeah, this is not a good run. This is just him aimlessly... That was not a good run, guys. Is this the run the entire Monster Jam community has been talking about? That is terrible. I knew the Monster Jam, like, the entire fandom had bad things, but yeah, that was... Literally every other freestyle has been better than that one. Alright, RJ Turner, let's see what he can do. I was told that there was a very good run, which I don't think was Stephen Thompson's, but... Yeah, I don't know what run it is. All I know, Steve Thompson didn't have a really good run, though. I'll say that. Alright, let's see what he can do. Alright, also, I'd like to say, this is not my video. Video is in the description along with, Romeo's channel because he is the one who suggested this video. Tomorrow we have Atlanta, Georgia, show 2. I'll be doing a commentary on that tomorrow. Alright, let's see if literally anything is gonna happen. This is actually a pretty good run, I'll say that. Alright, this actually could take the lead. I mean, I could see someone arguing it's better than Steven's run. I actually am gonna give this a second. Oh. You got stuck. Alright, I'm gonna say this run is second. Oh wait, no, Brett Falvey. Brett Falvey's the run I really like. Whoops. Alright, actually, I'm gonna say this is third then, because I do remember a good run from Steven Thompson. Alright, I wonder if they just left War Wizard. Oh. Alright, they didn't. Whoa, he went over the bus stack and didn't even get that much air? Why are people going... Why was that guy screaming well? Like, that's not that cool. I want to see something. Wait, is this the run? I think this is the final run. Is this the run that I've been hearing so much hype about? Or... Alright, well... Actually, we might have one run after this. This is a pretty good run, though, I will say. Oh, it sparks. They think this truck is also broken. I think he also has broken rear steer. Actually, he might be doing that on purpose, just to help him. Yeah, I think he's moving the rear steer on purpose like that. Now, this is a pretty good run, though, I will say. I can see why people are hyping this run up. Like, he is breaking this truck. Definitely better than the 3-wheel freestyle that was like 10 seconds long. Please don't be broken. Oh, he's not broken. Yeah, this is a pretty good run. Don't know if it's good as Brett Falvey's. Oh, little sideways tweet-ass. I'm a bit tired in case you guys couldn't tell. So yeah. Sorry about all my mistakes. Please comment below every single thing I did wrong. Alright, also comment below your commentary ideas. Oh! Oh! Oh my, that is the move. That is awesome. Alright, lead. How do you get out so fast? That is your lead. That is gonna win this entire show unless something wild happens. Woo! Oh yeah, I was like, I think we still have Toxic left. Alright, I think this is our final run. In fact, this is our final run. Alright, I really hope this is a good run. Alright, it's gonna take a lot to beat CJ or 2. I am happy I did a commentary on this show, though. This is actually a pretty good show. I've enjoyed this. Also, please subscribe if you enjoy. Trying to get to 500 little subscribblers before the end of the year. If I do, I will, I don't know, I'll do something. Actually, I'll probably try and launch a membership service. I don't know if you can do that at 500 subscribers, but I know that there eventually, once you get big enough, you can do memberships. I'll probably do a membership, which will be like $1 a month, just because, I mean, any money is still money. So, yeah. Whenever I get to 500 subscribers, I'll do that. And if I get to it before the end of the year, then we'll do like a Yeah, I don't know. I'll do a 500 subscriber stream. Alright. Toxic, though, with a really good run, I'll say that much. Alright. Freestyle. Shredder did not have a good freestyle. I'm gonna say that much. Alright, everyone, though. Please join me for some of my streams. I'm doing a Humans Mod Stream Tour where you guys help decide the votes. I'd love to see you there. Romeo's actually there. He's the one who suggested this video. So yeah. You guys, I'd love to see you there. Please subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video. And have a good day. 2 more commentaries should be coming out in the next week.